Good morning students, myself Tarun Solanki and today I am going to teach you about and we will discuss about the chapter 1 of computer application. The name of chapter 1 and that is computer system, in which we are going to discuss about computers and us, convergence of technologies, in which computer technology, communication technology, ICT, content technology with convergent technology. Third thing, and that is overview of communication technology, in which email, SMS, video conferencing, chat services, blog and wikis, microblogging will be discussed. So I hope that you will try to understand. So let's start. First thing, computers and us. Computers, as the name suggests, computer. Most of us are interacting with a computer when we were kids. In first standard, second standard, third standard. We started interacting with computers from first standard, and that time we just used for those things for gaming. Nowadays, as we are growing, we are getting a wider area of computer application where computers are used. Computers, they are used for gaming. They are used for complex calculations. They are used for simple calculations. Computers are used for educational and training purposes. As well as they are also used for complex calculations like weather forecast, geology, education and training at a higher level, programming, gaming and programming games, the games which you are playing on computers or on mobile phones. They are used and made with the help of computers coding, that is called programming. So, computers, several things we are seeing today, and they are like online payment. We use a mobile or a computer for online payment. For gaming, we require mobile or a computer for that. So, after all these things, we can say that computer is becoming a vital and important part of our life, and in most of the aspects we are using computers for that. So, computers and us, we can say that if we are not using computer, we are not living in a modern era. If we are living in a modern era and we want to progress, we have to interact with the computers. Got it? So, the second thing, and that is convergence of technologies. What is convergence of technology? Convergence of technologies means when we are merging two technologies together. That is called convergence of technologies. What will be merged and what kind of technologies are there, we are discussing here, and that is computer technology. Second one is communication technology. Third one is ICT, that is information and communication technology. Fourth one is content technology, and a part of content technology is convergent technology. So first thing, computer technology. Computer, it is having a base on which it works. The base which a computer is using is called computer technology. For example, if we are not having a CPU in our computer, that computer is not a computer. Without CPU, it is not a computer, it is just a screen. It is just a screen if you are not having CPU and you are having all the things. So, the main thing is CPU in computer technology. In computer technology, CPU. It is using chips, it is using motherboard, it is having SMPS, and they are working all together to make a technology, to create or make a technology. Second thing is communication technology. Communication technology, a technology in which or through which we are interacting with other people, in which we are interacting with other people at any of the place, in whole of the world. For example, communication technology. Communication technology like mobile phone. Mobile phone, in older days, we were using telephones. They were using wider technology. Mobile phones, they are using wireless technology, internet, email. They are also the examples of communication technology. ICT, a combination of information and communication technology. ICT, combination of IT, information technology, and CT, communication technology. Now it becomes ICT, information and communication technology. Information and communication technology, it is used with the help of telecommunication medium. It is used with the help of telecommunication medium in which audio and videos are used. Some of the things they are using audios, some of the things they are using videos, and some of the things they are using text as a medium of communication. Content technology, I am giving you a simple example. Content technology. We are watching movies, we are watching serials, we are viewing news, we are viewing documentaries. They are the examples of content technology. That the content, it is being expressed. It is being expressed with the help of audios and videos. Audio visuals. Next thing is convergent technology. Convergent technology means a technology which is converted into a new technology. A technology which is transformed into a new technology. That kind of technology is called convergent technologies. Mobile phones, Android mobile phones or smartphones, they are the best example of convergent technologies, as we are getting almost all the things in a smartphone. For example, you can view movies, you can view videos, you can surf the internet, you can listen to the music, you can see the time, you can do the calculations, you can use spreadsheets, you can use word processor, you can use spreadsheets, as well as you can use slides in a mobile phone. You can use a mobile phone for online payment, you can use your mobile phone for gaming. You can use it for surfing the internet and several other things. So convergence of technologies means we can understand that several technologies we are getting in our one device. We are getting several things in one device. It is called convergence of technologies. Third and last topic for this video, and that is overview of communication technology, CT. Overview of communication technology, that is OCT, in which first thing is email, which stands for electronic mail. Second thing is SMS, short message servicing. Video conferencing, when we are interacting with a person face to face, virtually face to face, with the help of our communication medium, chatting, we are talking to a particular person or with a group of persons. We are to a particular person or a group of persons, that is chat services. Third, last is blog and wikis. Blog, a place provided to the user by several bloggers softwares. So several blogging softwares in which a blogger, a person who can express their views in a short way. Second thing is wikis, Wikipedia. Have you heard about Wikipedia? Wikipedia, a place where you can get most of the information about a particular thing at one particular place. That is called wiki. Next is microblogging. For example, microblogging, it is example a software for microblogging, that is Twitter. It is example of microblogging, where you are getting a small space. आपको एक नियत जगह मिलती है, नियत स्थान मिलता है, नियत शब्द मिलते हैं, जहां पर आप अपने शब्दों को बयान कर सकते हैं. That is called microblogging. For this video, it is enough. The next topic will be covered in next video. So till then, thank you and try to understand. If you have any problem, you can ask. You are free to ask. Okay? Thank you.